Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to my channel, Crypto for Life. And today I'm going to bring you a brand new ICO that I think has huge potential in 2018. I know it's been a while since my last video because I've been very busy recently, but I will keep uploading more videos from now on and bring you guys more good content. So let's get started. This coin is called Gatcoin, and I've been watching it for a while now. I think it's a brilliant idea that's being applied into real life. And this is their website. We can see they have everything lined up. There's token sale white paper. You guys can read into it. They have a very strong team. I'll talk about that later. And there are news, FAQ, subscribe. Here's some information about the coin itself. So one thing I like about it is that it has unsold tokens are redistributed to token sale participants. So if they have any leftover tokens, they're gonna airdrop to their participants. So yeah, uh, and they also have a low hard cap with 14.5 million USD. So they are not trying to be greedy and raise as much money as they can. They only raise that amount, which is how whatever amount they need. So I think this is a very important factor I look into nowadays in the coins. Uh, so yeah, so basically what this coin does is that it connects customers and retailers and it provides them with a system and ways to spend and trade those reward points you get from the retailers. Remember, you every time you go to Macy's, and they will uh, for how whatever amount money you spend, you get whatever amount of points. And next time you go there, you can spend it as a discount. So what they are trying to do is that they're trying to digitalize those points and make those points online, become a online coin, and people can use the coin to purchase physical goods or even sell the tokens and receive money in return if they don't want to spend the points for say. And here's an explanation video. You guys can look into it. So the pre-sale is already over, and the crowd sale will be begin in 2 days. And yeah, they already have a beta app here set up already. You guys can register and go take a look at their uh, setup products and a simple and secure way to trade your rewards points. Sign up for free, so you guys can take a look if you're interested. And moving on, so they're gonna have their own marketplace. Okay, so the marketplace is for you to purchase retail physical goods using the tokens, and they will have their own exchange as well, where you can trade the tokens among yourselves. So if you don't want to spend the points, you can sell the points. It's as simple as that. And they have their own foundation, independent non-profit organization based in Singapore. Uh, Here's the roadmap, and they already began their development at the end of 2016. So it's been a year now, and they just launched their ICO. So I think this project is carefully constructed and thought about instead of some other ICO that's been created in 3 weeks or even less. So I think this project has being put a lot of efforts into it, and I think the concept is great. Have the concept that has real world implications, and it can be have practical uses. They have laid out the roadmap, and after the ICO, they're gonna launch, uh, whatever you guys just saw here. These things, wallet, marketplace, exchange. So it's all in place now, and I think once the coin hits exchange, for example, like especially big exchanges like Binance, I think the coin will be a big hit, and that's why I'm looking forward to it, and I'll also be invest into it heavily. There you can see it's their development team, and some of them have real working experience in those retail brands. I think this one is from Warma, this one is from Simon, and yeah, they will have some sort of educational background or work experience in this area, and they have put together a huge team, like you can see here. I never seen anyone that has so many team members, both from Western and Eastern. Also, those people are also educated in in Western countries, even though the project is set up in Singapore, I think. But they have people from IBM from everywhere. So yeah, so that's it. I think it's a overall great project, and um, whether you guys please do your own research and draw your own conclusion. What I just talked about is just my own personal opinion, but I do think this coin has huge potential and worth anyone to invest in. Again, I'm not sponsored by them, but I do looked into this coin for a while now, and I'll definitely participate in this ICO. And yeah, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate your uh, patience if you have watched until the end. Please give a thumbs up if you liked the video. And also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I upload good content videos regularly, and all I do on this channel is about giving value to you guys. So don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.